Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome onto stage Ahmed Aliwan, Country Director, Qatar.
Good evening. Assalamu alaikum. How are you tonight? Good? We've been waiting for this day since May 2012, when we first revealed the BlackBerry 10. This is one of the most important events in our company's history. And it's so important that I think I've totally forgot my speech. But anyway, it's great to have you here. It's great to see everyone here. Thank you for joining us. We're honored to have you as our guest tonight. Thank you. So welcome to the Doha launch of BlackBerry 10. And I would like also to extend a warm welcome to our carrier partners from Qatar and Vodafone, and our special guests from Qatar Airways, Al Jazeera, Al-Ghani, and myself. Before we get started, for those of you who are live tweeting from here tonight, I urge you to join the global conversation using the hashtag BlackBerry10 and our local handle @BlackBerry. Okay, let's start. So last week, it was the launch of our BlackBerry 10 that happened in 6 different locations in the world. In New York, in Toronto, in London, in Paris, Johannesburg, and right here in the Middle East, in Dubai. And this signifies how important this region is for our global business. This region and this part of the world embraces mobile innovation, partnership, and technology. And we are excited to be in this region. We are investing in this region. We are investing in Qatar. We want to be part of your story. We're proud to be part of your ICT story. We're investing in Qatar to drive the mobile innovation, to create values. So we are here tonight, and we want to drive this mobile computing with you. Qatar is now home to a great number of nationalities and languages. People are always on the move, and I think we've seen it on our way to the museum, right? They're always on the move. They are constantly in contact with their families, colleagues, friends, and we hear every day many unique ways of how they use BlackBerry to connect, to share their life, to share their story, to share music, videos, to share their success. But you know what? Don't take our word, and let's listen to them. Let's just approach it together.
I am stoked about BlackBerry 10.
BlackBerry 10 is sleek. Actually, my first I was like, wow.
The openness of the BlackBerry 10 platform is fantastic. I really like the gesture-based OS.
It's very rare we get our hands on a device or a series of devices that can encompass everyone.
J'étais vraiment surpris par sa grande fluidité, sa simplicité d'utilisation.
Mes premières impressions sur BlackBerry, c'est l'effet wow. Il y a un effet wow sur l'écran.
My favorite feature is multitasking. To be able to run email, social networking, all at the same time on one device.
Esta nueva aplicación para BlackBerry 10 además va a permitir a los usuarios de BlackBerry compartir sus experiencias en Voice en redes sociales.
Para BlackBerry 10 vamos a desarrollar algo muy especial, la versión de Engineering Phone desarrollada nativamente con BlackBerry.
I like that everything is going to keep running all the time because I keep running, so I want my BlackBerry to keep running as well.
It now supports cascades. It gives a more smoother transition from Windows.
One of the cool features in BlackBerry 10 is the balance. If I have a work profile, I can quickly shift to the personal profile. If I'm in the personal profile, I can quickly shift to the enterprise profile.
I think it's a big win for carriers, for users, for developers.
BB10, I think, with the new gesture approach, allows people to quickly access things and with the hub see things across multiple forms of communication.
We're really looking forward to BlackBerry Enterprise Service 10, take advantage of its new enhanced features so that we can have more manageability, more security.
I think what excites me the most about BlackBerry 10 is the camera and video functions.
It's very exciting for us to further access, give mobile access to our films on this new platform.
The keyboard is literally, and I've used many of them, it's literally the best experience, the fastest experience, the most efficient experience that I've ever seen.
For me, BlackBerry 10 is the best mobile computing platform that is out there.
It's going to be amazing. It's going to rock the world.
Countless success stories, 80 million stories from around the world. Whether they're individual, mobile developers, small, large enterprise, carriers, partners, it's amazing to hear and to know how BlackBerry contributes to their success. And you know what? Our success in Qatar is because of you, because of the support from our carriers, because of the support of our partners, but also, and most importantly, because of our loyal customers. And being here tonight, launching BlackBerry 10 platform, BlackBerry Z10 in Qatar, ahead of so many other countries around the world, it's our way to say thank you to our loyal customers. As we're launching the new generation of BlackBerry, let's remember where we're coming from. The best-in-class security, best-in-class communication, and typing experience. Those three items define our DNA. And we're not willing to give up our DNA. So we're building on this. We listened, we understood the challenges, we listened to our customers, and we built, based on this, we built a platform for a new era. We built a platform for a new era, leading the way into the mobile computing. We are focused more than ever. We changed the company, we changed the name, and we understood, and we made it our business to listen to you. We're not interested in offering a nice gadget. We want to offer a tool that makes your life easier. We want to offer a tool that helps people better manage their life. But you know what? It happens that it's a nice gadget and it's called Z10. This is why we're here tonight. We're working closely and we want to work closer with our partners, with our mobile developer communities, to innovate and bring mobile computing solutions that connects not only people, but content, services, machines, whether in the banking, in the transport, infrastructure, and health. The opportunities are just infinite. We're committed to work with you. We're committed to deliver the best-in-class services and go beyond the normal communication and address the challenges of the mobile computing. Now, I would like you to hear from our partners, so please join me in welcoming Peter Schmidt from Qatar Airways. We've been working with these guys on an application and to bring their award-winning services to our BlackBerry 10 customers. And I can proudly say that Qatar Airways is the first Middle Eastern airline to have BlackBerry 10 applications ready and available today for download on BlackBerry Board. Please.
Thank you, Ahmed, and thanks to everyone here from the BlackBerry team for having us here today. And good evening to all of you who are here today. And hello. My name is Peter Schmidt. I work for Qatar Airways as Senior Manager e-commerce, looking after all the sort of e-technologies at Qatar Airways. And what could be the perfect fit for mobility and airline? I mean, which one really is the one device we all carry with us when we take a flight? It is a smartphone. It would be unthinkable for most of us to take a flight, to take a trip without having a smartphone in our pockets or constantly in our hands, be it to check flight status, to scan your boarding pass from a mobile device, or to do a last-minute booking on the go. And Qatar Airways, we have for a while already recognized that importance and the fit between mobility, between smartphones, mobility, and the aviation industry. So already back in 2008, which seems like centuries ago in the mobility world, we launched our first mobile phone barcode boarding pass application, so that you can go and scan your phone at the airport without print the boarding passes. Then in 2010 we launched our first mobile website already, and just 2 months ago we launched a full suite of mobile applications, including booking, online check-in, flight status, and all the other full services that customers need on board all the major smartphone platforms, including the BlackBerry OS 5 to 7 devices. So we're very excited to be here today to, as Ahmed has said, announce that we are the first Middle Eastern airline who, right from the first day of launch of BlackBerry, have managed to launch our app. It's already available today, and you can download it in the BlackBerry world and experience the app for yourself to really match that experience of the customer experience of the new BlackBerry 10 devices with also the services of 5-star airline or Qatar Airways wants to put into the hands of our customers. But I just want to give you a very quick demo of the app. Switch this over to the device, please. Okay, that's not yet. Okay, just a quick one. Launching it from your app tray. So the services we have right now available is book a flight, flight status, subscribe to offers, contact us information. Just showing you quickly how smooth and how fluid that all works on the BlackBerry 10 device. I've searched previously Doha, Bangkok, everyone's favorite destination, so I'll just keep that. Same dates. Search for a flight. And then hopefully something will appear. Okay, you get into your flight display. Okay, here you can see if I depart a day earlier, I can get an even better rate. I continue and go through selecting my fares and flights for the outbound journey, and then for the return journey, and can go quickly through without to check out for my flight on the mobile device. I want to go through everything. The app is loaded on the different devices that are floating around, and you can play around with it yourselves later on. Also possible just to check your flight status. Let's see what happened today on the flights from, let's say you were interested in the flights from Doha to everyone's favorite London Heathrow. Let's see what happened today on the flights, and okay, happy to report all Qatar Airways flights arrived on time or ahead of time. Okay, I won't show you much of it. It's, as I said, loaded here on the devices, and yeah, you can just play around with it yourselves or download it on your BlackBerry device yourself from the app world. As I said, we have really pushed for being here for the launch and being live, because we also recognize BlackBerry mobility. It's a very important device for the frequent international business traveler, so it really matches with our customers very well. And we see it as a great opportunity for, not just for an important launch for BlackBerry, but also for Qatar Airways to be part of this launch. And yeah, on that note, I guess Ahmed already said how important this event is, and is a company faced with strong competition like in the smartphone industry like it is, we either, I guess, give up or show the best that's in you. And looking at what we've seen today and also read in the press, I think it looks very good what we see here. So on that note, I will hand over back to Ahmed, I suppose. And yeah, thank you very much.
This was a small window for me to revise my speech. Now I would like to hear from our partners from Al Jazeera. Al Jazeera is one of our biggest media partners in the region. They already have an app for our BlackBerry OS 5, 6, and 7. and we've been working together with them on the BlackBerry 10 app. So I'd like to invite Derek and Sardar on stage to just tell you more about their experience.
Okay, I wanted to say how great, by the way, the Qatar Airways app is. I mean, it's the first time I'm seeing it, and I'm a regular traveler at Qatar Airways, so well done to those guys. My name is my colleague Derek today. I just wanted to say, very excited to be on board BlackBerry 10. We've been on board with BlackBerry for a while now, for our Arabic and English channels, for BlackBerry 6 and 7. Also when PlayBook, as a tablet came along, we were on board, native app. So really looking at BlackBerry 10 and the features and all what you, the gestures, the usability side of things, I really wanted to have some apps from Al Jazeera which utilize all of this functionality within the new devices. The new devices, I mean, the 10 is really a brilliant device. So I'm just going to step aside and Derek to take you through this, but just wanted to say what you're going to see today is basically a pre-launch version 1.0. There's a lot more exciting stuff to come. We're working closely with the BlackBerry device, and I wanted to thank our team in Dubai for supporting us with that. Thank you very much. Over to Derek.
Hello. Hi, my name is Derek Fountain. I'm with the New Media Department at Al Jazeera, based here in Doha. And what I'm going to do today is show you two demos of the Al Jazeera mobile app for BlackBerry 10 devices. And the apps for BlackBerry 10, they extend the five core features of our mobile product strategy. And that's read, watch, browse, personalize, and contribute. And so with these five components or five pillars of our mobile strategy, this is how we're extending to BlackBerry 10 devices. And so let me just do a quick live demo for you. First, we're going to look at Al Jazeera English. So the Al Jazeera English app brings you the read experience up front. By default, we give you all the latest news headlines so that you don't have to dig around. And yet, as you can see, you can browse the latest headlines, you can select an article, then you can read that article. The personalized component comes in when you want to save that article for later, right? If it's a long article, an opinion piece, for example, you may not have all the time to read that in one sitting. And so we allow you to save that article, add to your favorites, and you can go back later and discover that. And so, as I mentioned before, it's read, watch, browse, personalize, and contribute. And the contribute part comes in with a really interesting feature with BlackBerry 10. For the first time, Al Jazeera is making available the use of BlackBerry Messenger to share content. So in addition to the standard sharing of social networks and Facebook and Twitter, we're allowing you to share using BBM. That's a pretty powerful feature that we think is going to be really popular in the region. And so the watch experience. And so we make long-form programs available on demand inside of our apps, in addition to news clips. And you can see that in videos. That gives you the latest news clips that have aired on television. You can also go back and you can check out programs and you can watch those. These features are going to be available in the final release of the app once it becomes available in March. And then I'll switch over to the Arabic app and show you how the same features, similar features have been implemented for the Al Jazeera Arabic channel. And so we similarly, the strategy, we present the latest news headlines of the day up front by default. So you can read the latest news, select an article, go into that article, and if you don't have enough time to read it, you can save it for later, and go back and find it. And also share that article on BlackBerry Messenger, Twitter, Facebook, or several other social applications. And similar to the watch experience, the current BlackBerry apps in the market for Arabic, they don't have video. There's no video content. There's only news articles. And for the first time, we're making videos available inside of a BlackBerry application for the Arabic channel. And if you select, go back, you can see latest news reports and latest programs. And so this is for the first time we're making this available to our audience. And this is going to be a powerful feature. People have loved Al Jazeera Arabic. They're downloading our apps like crazy, but for the first time we're going to make video available to them. And so it's going to be interesting to watch and see how that content is consumed over time. And that's the conclusion of my demo. And thank you all for tuning in, and look forward to the app store pretty soon.
Thank you, Derek. Okay. We booked our flight. We know what's going on in the world around us with Al Jazeera. Now, let's have some fun. Let's talk about music. I would like to invite Eddie Marou, co-founder of Angami. Angami is an application that offers 90% of the Arabic labels, but also the foreign labels. It helps you, it allows you to tweet from within the app. It allows you to share your playlist. And guess what? The most important is it's free. I'll just leave you with Eddie.
First of all, I'd like to thank you, and I'd like to thank the BlackBerry team for hosting us here. And we're really excited about having Angami on this fantastic BlackBerry 10 device. To speak about Angami first, Angami is a music application that is designed to give us a complete experience around music. When you have Angami, you don't need any other source of music. You can play unlimited number of tracks, and you can download those tracks for offline, and you can play those tracks anywhere. So, and having Angami on your BlackBerry device is one of the things that we believe that you will be enjoying the most. If you want to speak about the features that we really offer here, when we speak about music, we like to always highlight the Arabic songs and the international songs as well. So here we're speaking about both. It's not just Arabic and it's not just international, it's everything. And it's very important to note that everything you're accessing here is 100% legal. So there's no piracy, and it's really complete and enjoyable. For instance, if we say, let me plug the audio here so you can listen to the music I'm talking about. Let's choose a track. And here I can, with this track, I can choose to add it to a playlist. For instance, a playlist that I want to have it for the morning, for the gym, for whatever. Let's add it here to my, let's say, these specials. So it's added, and I have this playlist here. I can download any track I find, or I can download even complete playlists, so I can listen to it offline, or if I don't have any connection. So see how beautiful it is, and everything is very dynamic with this BlackBerry 10, and it's allowing me to do anything I want. Not just having access to the songs and downloading them and streaming them, I can also share those. And I'm connected with Facebook. I can go to my friends tab. I can see all my friends that are also using Angami, and I can access their songs. I can access their playlist and discover more music, new music. So I can go to one of my friends and see what he's playing, what are his likes, what are his playlists, and subscribe to those and have those. So it's helped me discover music and enjoy everything. One of the things that we've been able to do on this very interesting device is having a feature that allows me to have very big playlists. I just access this my personal DJ thing. I select the music that I want. For instance, I want international music now, and I am let's say working out, and I'm in silence. It will auto-generate playlists for me. So here I can choose from interesting playlists the track that I want to play, and I just click and it will play. So I don't need to build my own playlist every time. I can access any playlist. I can just tell the application what is my mood, what is my activity, and it will give me a random playlist. So here if I'm working out, I need something to decide me to work for. So on top of that, I can search millions of songs, Arabic, international, millions of albums, artists, everything. And as I said, everything is really 100% updated, 100% legal, and everything you want is here. So get this meeting done for your work, but also have this
great app. Now, more fun. Games. Let's play some games. I'll cut it short. I'd like to invite WordPress CEO of World just to tell you more about their big games on that. And they're all available today on BlackBerry World for September.
Good evening, everyone. So we took off with Qatar Airways. We landed on the breaking news. The B will lead us to more fun. We have been working with BlackBerry since 2011 on both the BlackBerry smartphones and the BlackBerry PlayBook. We have been enjoying really a growing success here in the region and sometimes beyond the region. World, we have been in this mobile gaming space since 2003. The BlackBerry platform, seeing it here in the region as a dominant platform, pushed us to invest and work our games to bring them to the BlackBerry platform. This investment that we did on BlackBerry expanded the moment we were introduced to the BlackBerry 10 and the BlackBerry Jam. And I will tell you really the reason that took us as a company to invest more and more in bringing our games to the BlackBerry platform. The BlackBerry 10 platform, from a technical point of view, is an easy to use, flexible, and the portability is really magic. As a game developer, we sometimes waste a lot of our time in bringing our games and porting them to platforms. And the BlackBerry, it's really easy. The handset, the moment the guys send us the alpha device, wow, the screen, the colors, that's really the device that I want my games and my gamers to enjoy. And imagine now seeing the Z10, amazing, and we will see the games later on. One of the most important parts in our life cycle, in our ecosystem, is support. The support we are getting today from both the commercial and the technical staff from BlackBerry helps us not only in understanding and accelerating our products, in putting our games in front of more than 80 million users, consumers that can download our games. As any game, you know, games are story, interactive story. And a story needs a storyteller. And now our storyteller is at 10. And I will show you some stories we have. All the games that you will see now are live on BlackBerry Live today. And you can enjoy them. And talking about relevant regional content, we created one of, I'm sure a lot of you know the Balloon. It's a card game. It's a very popular game here in the Middle East, especially in the Gulf area, and at the same time it has an international appeal. It played in France. So we needed a platform that can give us and give our users the look and feel that we needed. A look and feel that is supported by a strong OS that can give strong artificial intelligence that we can enjoy the game. And the game is already live and both Arabic and English. Another international, really wonderful device. With the feeling you have it when you are playing games. And I'll show you another popular game that we have launched with BlackBerry, which is the Dominoes. I'm sure we all play this. So the Domino is another game that is now live, and you can enjoy it in both Arabic and English. So, and you can see how smooth the colors. And all those games are live today. I hope you will enjoy it and enjoy the new generation of smartphones, the Z10. Thank you very much and have a nice evening.
Thank you. This is great. So, BlackBerry Z10 is available today in Qatar from our partners and carriers. At 2599 Qatar Riyal. We are committed, we're very strong, we're stronger than ever with BlackBerry. every time, and I can commit with this, every time we introduce a new platform, we change the way people communicate. We are introducing a new platform. It's a new era. You can count on our commitment. You can count on us. Every tiny detail, every gesture in this platform and device are built with you in mind. It's built to keep you moving. We are BlackBerry, we innovate, and enjoy your September. Before we leave, I would just like to keep you a little bit longer for one more video, but thank you again for joining us. Please enjoy this beautiful place, this new weather, this great weather, and our hospitality. Thank you.
When the right people and the right technology come together, amazing things can happen. Everything that BlackBerry develops is designed to help people succeed at what they do and keep moving forward. But rather than just take our word for it, we're going to prove it. BlackBerry has teamed up with some of the world's most inspirational people, directors, writers and musicians on a series of unique projects. We've challenged them to create something amazing with the help of their fans and the new BlackBerry 10 smartphone. We'll be documenting the whole